Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this discussion, we shall be looking at subsets. Before we proceed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. What is a subset? Consider set A, which has the elements A, B, C, D, E, and of course F. Alright? And then the elements A and E are members of the set B as shown on the screen. Now, this simply implies that all the elements of B are found in set A. Therefore, we can simply say that B is a subset of A. Now, the symbol for subset is the C-shaped symbol as you can see on the screen. Again, this can be written as A is a superset of B. When the symbol faces the other side, we call it superset. So A is a superset of B. Why? All the elements of B are found in set A. When you go and look at advanced stage of sets and the related symbols, you get to realize that this symbol you see here, the proper name is proper subset. Okay? And then this is known as what? Proper superset. Now, if B is a set that has all its elements in another set, say A, then B is a subset of A. Now let's look at examples of subset. Number 1, given that M is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, and of course 9, and N is a set of elements 2, 3, and 5, then we can simply see that all the elements of N are members of M. Right? So that implies that N is a subset of M, or M is a superset of N. Again, given that A is equal to the set of elements 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to the set of elements 1, 2, 3, and 4, then we can also see that A is a subset of B, since all the elements of A are found in the set B. Similarly, we can also see that B is a superset of A. Now let's look at some counter examples of a subset. Given that P is equal to A, B, C, D, E, and Q is equal to A, E, and I, then Q is not a subset of P. Why? You do realize that yes, A and E are members of P, alright, but I is not a member of P. That simply implies that Q is not a subset of P, or better still, P is not a superset of Q. Now let's look at number of subsets. If A is a finite set and the cardinality of A, that is, absolute value of A is equal to n of A, then the number of subsets of the set A is simply equal to 2 to the power n. This simply means that the number of subsets that we can derive from the set A is given by the expression 2 to the power n. Example: if A is equal to a set of elements 1, 2, and 3, find A, the number of elements in set A, then B, the number of subsets of A, and then C, the subsets of A. Solution: given that A is equal to the set of elements 1, 2, and 3, we can simply say that n of A is equal to 3. Why? Because there are 3 elements in the set A. And then B, the number of subsets of A is simply given by 2 to the power n. But what is n in this case? In A, we had n to be equal to 3. So we can simply say that the number of subsets of A is simply equal to 2 to the power 3. And that simplifies to 8. That means that we can derive 8 subsets from the set A. Now let's look at the number of subsets. We already know that A is a set that contains elements 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the first we can do is to look at the fact that the empty set is a subset of all sets. So we can simply say that the subsets are the empty set 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, and of course 1, 2, 3. How do we come by that? Already the empty set is a subset of all sets, so that one is there. Then again, we can derive unit sets from the set A. given by a set having just 1, a set having just 2, a set having just 3. Then we can derive sets that have 2 elements from the set A. Of course, you can take 1 and pair it with 2. Then again, you can pick 1 again and pair it with 3. Remember, and again, 2 again can also pair up with 3. And lastly, every set is a subset of itself. So this simply implies that the set containing the elements 1, 2, and 3 is also a subset of A. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Good day.